हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू गाइज आर गोइंग वेल। और अगर आप मेरे चैनल में नए हो तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना, एज इट रियली मीन्स अ लॉट टू मी। And also hit that bell button which is sitting just beside that. This is going to be my makeup look which I'm going to carry on Diwali. You can also carry it on the occasion of some wedding functions, as wedding is also coming, so you can easily carry this look. So if you want to know that how I created this look, then keep watching this video. I'm starting my makeup with my favorite primer, and this is Color by Primer, just to hide and avoid any kind of pore and texture. For my foundation, I'm using here L'Oreal Pro Matte Foundation. It is in shade 109. This foundation is my love, as my skin is oily, so this foundation has a very nice coverage, as well as it is very good for oily skin. The brush which I'm using here is Pack 265. To highlight the center of my face, I'm using the same foundation, and it is in shade 107. It is lighter than my complexion, so I'm using it to highlight my face, to highlight the center of my face. And to set everything, I'm using your L'Oreal Compact. Now do let me know what are the foundation you guys are using for oily skin. And I'm setting my makeup with this spray, which is from Makeup Revolution. And just to remove excess of anything, I'm just patting this beauty blender properly over my face. To set the foundation which I have used to highlight the center of my face, I'm using your Makeup Revolution Lazuli Banana Powder. Now if you're a makeup lover and want your base to be perfect, just try this step. Now without wasting time, I'm directly jumping onto my eyebrows, and here I'm using the Spaces brush and using this Makeup Revolution I Had Chocolate palette. I love this palette for many reasons, and I've used this palette also in many of my videos. So let me know which is your favorite eyeshadow palette. And now dusting off all the excess powder which I have applied on my face, as because the concealer and the foundation is already set. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm using your Wet n Wild Mega Lush Liquid Catsuit eyeshadow, and this is Shell and Whistles. Because just to add this shimmery effect to my eyes, I am adding this liquid eyeshadow over my eyelid properly. Now if you'll ask me that why I'm using a liquid eyeshadow, though I just don't want this shimmery effect to went off on my eyelids. Now for my crease, I'm using here Bad Habit Athena palette, and here I'm applying this burgundy color on my crease, just to avoid those harsh line which is already present because of this liquid eyeshadow. Now for the outer V, I'm using here Mist Clear Mono Eyeshadow in the shade Black. I'm just concentrating it over this very portion and rotating in circular motion just to build up the color. As Diwali is a festival of colors, so I just wanted to have that shimmery eyeshadow because I really go for it. I totally like this black smoky and the matte effect. But as my dress is very settled, so I was wanting something glittery, something color and light over my face, so that's why I have added this. And just dragging the same color, the brown color, on my lower lid. My eyeliner I'm using here Sukar I Told You, so I will definitely recommend this eyeliner if you're a beginner, and if you want to make wing liner, then I will definitely recommend it. It's very easy to make wing liner from this applicator. And this color, the pigmentation which is providing is truly a love. And now for my love pad, I'm using here MAC Ruby Woo. I don't think I really need a reason to say yes to red color. So because of this festive look, you can carry this red lipstick anywhere in Indian weddings or in festival. So just to complete my entire look, I'm using here red lipstick. And genuinely, I don't need actually any reason to apply this MAC Ruby Woo. This is the prettiest red color I've ever got. For my blush, I'm using a Maybelline Cheeky Glow. And just to add certain kind of shimmers to my face, I'm using a Mist Clear Shimmer Breaks to my face. To contour my chubby cheeks, I'm using here this Aligarh Pro Concealer. My things are always here and there, so I need to search them before applying. Apply the false lashes off camera and adding little bit of accessorizations to complete the entire look. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, do hit that like button and subscribe my channel for the further updates. Till then, take care guys. I will see you guys in the next one.